Hi guys, I'm Zhanna from the Midnight Mouse and I have a new unboxing. This time is a bit different. It's not a BJD or Barbie, but I have here my first custom Blythe doll from Zhanna Art. She came from Ukraine. She's an amazing artist and oh, I'm so excited to see her. Let's unpack her together and welcome her. Oh wow. Wow. I don't want to touch it, I don't want to ruin it. It's so beautiful. Oh, I think this is her certificate. Oh, that's beautiful. I love it. It's quite unique. And this scrapbook paper is amazing. Would be nice as a wallpaper for her room, but we'll see what I can find. Here is the artist. And oh, I will have to take down the ball. Oh. And she's speaking from the inside. Oh, she's so sweet. And she came with gifts. Oh, she has an amazing teddy bear. I really love these tiny plushies that I can gift to my dolls. Now she actually has her own teddy bear. It's amazing. Thank you, Zhanna. She came with extra hands. She's in tan, of course. What else? Oh, there's the pull string. Okay. Oh, got it. Wow. Oh, she's my first custom Blythe, guys, and she's my first tan. I actually don't have a tan doll, except Barbies. Wow, she's gorgeous, and look at the details. She's creating the clothes for the dolls as well. She has such a beautiful workshop shop on Etsy, and everything is done by her. This is beautiful. Oh, and the little red shoes. Now I need a name. Let's see the pull strings. There. Such beautiful beads. I love it. I also love the color scheme. I love her hair and the haircut. Oh, I love it. Let's see her. Actually, I'm not really sure if it's a boy or a girl yet. And I don't have a name yet. Wow, the eyes are so beautiful. It's hard for me to choose which one I like the best. They're all amazing and very detailed. It's a high quality print. Let's have this. Might be a boy though. Still not sure. I will tell you later. But is amazing. Oh, it's so cute. The artwork and the signature. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much for letting me having her. It's amazing. So yeah, thank you for watching and thank you for this amazing friend. Bye.